Okay, so apparently there's some stairs up here on this hill. If you go up there and around, and they bring you down to the other side to where the beach of Playa Zipolite and the town, the main street of the town. So I think maybe we'll go take a quick look and see what we see. My first time doing this, so I'm glad I'm bringing you guys along. I'm using the Hero 9 because it has a media mod with the wind foam on it. This is also a good place. It's the same owners as Casa Sol. To keep the wind noise down, because it is rather windy here. So I was told that if we go down this way, we could go through their sister property right here and just cut right down. But I was told that if we go down this way, it winds around and we can look at some of the other properties as well. Those are my flip-flops that are clicking. The properties here are amazing. I don't know if you could strike out on any of these. Here we go. Here's our first clue right here. We are definitely going in the right direction. That way. Let's go. Jeannie's not going to be on this walk. Her back is still out, so she's nursing that back to health. By the way, we like this place so much, we've extended our stay. Hola. Oh, this is beautiful. Nice little walkway. Very, very scenic. They got lights there for nighttime. How cool is this? Obviously an organic garden of some sort. There's the beach, we can peek through. Yeah, it's all easy going downhill, but I'm gonna have to walk back up. Fortunately for you guys, you won't have to join me on that part. Thatched guest houses all the way along this path. More steps. Shows you how high up in the cliffside we are. See if I can pick up the pace a little bit. at the expense of you guys having to hear me breathe hard. But amigo,
yeah.
Playa Zipolite that way?
Sí.
Gracias. Got some good directions from a local.
I'm a tourist.
You're not a tourist. Where you from?
Massachusetts.
Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Yeah, about 50 miles north of New York City.
Nice.
What's your name?
Bodie.
Cody?
Bodie.
Bodie. John.
John, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You're gonna be on YouTube if it's okay with you.
Yeah.
Cool.
With me. I'm going climbing.
There you go, man. You can subscribe and see yourself. You'll have a little role in this.
Awesome.
How long you been here?
Almost like 20 days now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just retired, my wife and I, and sold off everything and traveling. No, we're just traveling the world. And we've been in Mexico since the beginning of October, or the middle of October, and
Wow.
yeah, we've been all over Mexico.
Yeah.
I think right about now we've got about 80 videos of Mexico.
That's awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mexico's a great place.
It is. And, you know, you really, really have to put aside the bullshit propaganda that the U.S. puts out about Mexico. No way, right?
Yeah.
Tell them.
No,
Tell them.
it's amazing here. The people are super friendly, super safe to be here. And it's like I love the family environment here.
They're welcoming, warm,
Mhm.
and just it's the exact opposite of everything that you read. And that's our experience too.
Mhm.
All right, brother.
Peace.
Yep. Am I going the right way?
This is the fastest way to the beach.
Okay. And town also?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my first time walking to the town.
Yeah. How long have you been in Zipolite?
This will be day 3.
Yeah.
So we have a car, so we just drove around.
Yeah. This is like a direct path to the beach.
Hey, let me cut in front of you so that the mic can pick you up.
Yeah. All right.
It's an indirect path to the beach.
This is a direct path to the beach.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Right.
And then you can kind of go left up here to get to town.
Uh-huh.
Where I'm gonna go.
Yeah, same with me. We're gonna. Bodie's got all the shortcuts for us today.
Yeah, this is a new one. I discovered this very recently.
Uh-huh.
Gonna go down here.
I was about to pull off the flip-flops, but I think I'm gonna leave them on. This is the real Mexico. Amigo?
Hola, amigo.
There's no goat path we won't travel.
He said it's one-way traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
We're only going one way, right?
yeah.
And this is the beginning of Main Street, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know the name of this street? Something with an A.
Oh, I forget.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I really don't.
Who are you down here with?
My family, my dad, and
Nice.
my brother.
Nice.
Yeah.
You surfing?
Not right now. The swell is nuts.
It is. It is. We just came out of Puerto Escondido and it was calm. We were there for 2 weeks, calm, and then the last day, The pipeline came right back up.
Yeah, it was close.
Yeah.
Crazy.
10, 12 feet high.
Mm-hmm.
Easy.
Alright, well, I'm gonna...
Just follow this straight?
Yeah, this will take you back up.
Okay. Peace out, man. That's our man Bodie. Hold up. No shortage of places to stay here. None.
Yeah.
Okay. And here we are, Main Street, Zipolite. All right, this is kind of a hot zone. I'm gonna stop a second and put my mask on. Laundry, good to know. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Good, we need laundry done. There's just so many places, restaurants. I'm complaining. Psilocybin mushroom bar. Like I told you, Mexico is where all the VWs came. They're all down here now. Not sure what he's selling, but... Okay, so... Full disclosure, we've been down here, Jeannie and I, as you probably already know, and we've had some meals. This place has some really good juice, and I've gotten this twice. It's cucumber juice with lime, and Jeannie got that yesterday. It's watermelon juice. This one I think is, I'm not sure, I think it's guava with banana. I'm not sure. It says guanabana. Not sure what that is, but I'm sure it's good. These juices are really good. Yes, they are. Nice place on the beach where people come to do nothing. Pizza. This is the chicken lady. We've gotten chicken here. It's really, really good. Cheap too. Excellent. You want this chicken? You get here early. They sell out. That's probably their last 2 pieces of the day. That's the last one, right? Finito? 2 times we got shut out. We ate here at this Italian restaurant right here. We were sitting right up there. Did a Facebook check-in from there. Homemade ravioli, homemade gnocchi, homemade pasta. Really good. Definitely good. Right? Definitely good, right? We ate here the other night. It was awesome.
Do you know where I can find Asian food?
No. Sorry, I'm new here. Hey, my man. I think there's a Thai restaurant on the other street there. Go down that street. There's a Thai restaurant. Mau Mau. Okay, right. Go right there. There, and it's either right or left, I'm not sure, but Mau Mau, Thai restaurant. I know that because we're going to go eat there, actually. Not tonight. See, no mask, nobody. That's right, my man. It's all good, right? All good. That goes right, all these streets go right down to the beach. Playa Zipolite. Hotel Playa Zipolite. Okay. This place in Tropea is off the hook. We ate here our first night. It was so good. Really, really good. And it's so good. Actually, you know what? Let's do a review. I'm gonna go set this up. Is that Sylvester? How are you? Very good, my friend. We're thinking about coming here tonight and doing a review.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. At what time would you like to come?
Before the lights go out.
Okay. We're gonna stay with us.
Huh?
Okay. Would you like to keep with this one?
This would be good.
Okay.
And that way we can do a little, we can get the ladies in, everybody.
Okay. If we are in a rush, you know, it may be difficult.
What time do you want us to come?
I mean,
6 o'clock?
6 o'clock is cool. If it's cool for you.
Very good. That's our site, and you're going to be on it.
Good.
All right, we'll be back at 6.
Okay, good.
Very good. Thank you. Wait until you see this food. Okay, let's shut this down, go back to the hotel, and get ready to eat. Okay, on the way back, I stopped with the Juice Man, and I'm trying the only one I haven't tried yet, and I think it's good. Gracias. Let's see what it is. I'll tell you in a second. Oh, that's really good. I think it's either guava or passion fruit, or I'm not sure if there's banana in it or not, but it is definitely good. Gracias, amigo.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.